It is a beautiful, marvelous Monday morning, March 23rd. Love Monday to pieces because I love being here. And I cannot get enough of the price, which I wish I could say that about S&P structure this morning. What is S&P telling me? S&P telling me such a marvelous morning to take a morning off until we will see a serious selling pressure. We're not gonna see serious selling pressure. We know you have to be absolutely crazy to buy S&P. As S&P not far off from reversal zone, bullish trend is tired. Based on alpha wave trader rules, we ain't buying anywhere near here. Until I see serious selling pressure, I am not touching S&P, as we know the danger of reversal zone. Reversal zone is alpha wave trader proprietary Fibonacci level where we're monitoring for reversals. Price is not far off from that level. Based on alpha wave trader method, the buy on S&P was at 2040, 2042, 2060, 2080 level, or worst case scenario 2095. Buying anywhere near here, the worst idea ever. So if we're gonna see exactly what we saw last Monday, which means we were bored out of our minds, expect extremely volatile Tuesday. Last Monday I didn't take any trade on S&P. Tuesday we've taken 5, could have taken 15. Know when to stay out of the market. Keep your fingers crossed. Sellers will step in with vengeance at any time. That is also confirmed by reversal zone on hourly. Remember what happened on Friday. Your success rate is 20% if you're buying here. For that reason, keep your fingers crossed for selling pressure. Otherwise, we're gonna be pretty darn bored on S&P because we ain't buying no S&P at reversal levels. Only if we see serious selling pressure. And price just reminded you by pushing 2 points to the downside. Respect and adore reversal zone. Don't ever buy into it. Markets will test your knowledge. Until we see serious selling pressure, we ain't buying on hourly, we ain't buying on daily. Push of 2 points already played out, reminding you. Do you know where reversal zone is? Do you know Fibonacci levels? All spelled out by the price since a week ago. So monitoring to the downside. Otherwise, we're just sitting pretty and keeping our fingers crossed for S&P. Oil reminded you the importance of the minor trend. All spelled out by the price since last Thursday. Here's a bullish rally, and here's a picture perfect reminder. If you're trading oil, you should be trading pit open. Magnificent bullish rally means serious business. Sellers were extremely weak. Buyers picked up this steam with vengeance since 3 hours ago. Until I see powerful pullback on oil, absolutely no trade on oil. We only trade based on precise, crucial 4 rules. There is no deviation whatsoever. Any short trade on oil will be counter trend trade. And that's the difference between knowledge versus timing. When we are stuck in a trading room in such overextended bullish rally with buy at 45.50 or outside of 46 level, all we have to do is wait patiently. Waiting for a pullback, any short trade, my beautiful students, you have no business of shorting oil. You only have business of watching what happens when you trade counter trend. And I would love to hear from you if you took advantage from oil this morning. As once again, price reminded you clearly. Enjoy the rally and trade oil at the pit open. Here is the long on oil from 45.60, currently at reversal zone. And that's the power of the price, and that's the power of the knowledge. reminding you, you know the rules, you're not confined to trading room hours. So expecting selling pressure on oil, only then we will be monitoring for long, but long rally, way overextended. The only good thing will happen on oil if we're going to see very powerful pullback. What is a conservative trader will do? Only then the trader would look to buy. What would be marvelous if oil will collapse all the way back down to 46? Bullish rally in serious progress. And where did it start? It started at reversal zone on hourly chart, on daily chart. Clear? And that's the magic of the price, all spelled out by price since over the months ago. Bullish rally, price struggled so many days, continues picking up the steam. And just to remind you where oil is currently on hourly, as in day trading room, I demonstrate the method on hourly charts when students trade any instrument and any time frame. Speaking of the devil, to the upside, oil at the end of the minor trend. Highly unlikely we're going to see spectacular selling pressure. As oil could not be more clear, expect to see oil at 47.18, 47.84. But it would be marvelous as price showing you already very powerful reminder. Bam! Decision point one in a play. Do you know where the end of the minor trend is? Do you know where to exit your long position? That simple. Would be marvelous if oil will show us a serious selling pressure. So again, S&P at the end of the major trend. Continue giving massive fluff, 2 points back and forth, worthless corrections in a play, reminding you, you want to play trade with 20% success rate, you're buying at these levels. Keep your fingers crossed, we'll see a serious selling pressure. Bullish rally on oil at the end of the minor trend. We need a serious pullback. Would be marvelous if oil will shock and floor us and will collapse to 46. Because we only trade between the levels, never, ever, ever into the levels. We also recognize that shorting against such magnificent bullish trend, not a good idea. What would a knowledgeable conservative trader do? Wait for collapse, wait for a pullback. We need a big one because we need a space until this level. So we need for oil to push as low as possible. Then we would be looking to buy. So keep your fingers crossed. Go down, 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 baby. 46. Love to see you there. That's where we will be looking to buy. We ain't buying into this level. We only trade between the levels. And that's the power of the price, and that's the power of Fibonacci levels. So kudos to those of you who took the advantage of the pit open, as time and time price reminds you. When price comes to reversal levels, you only bias is bullish. It don't matter if you trade daily. It don't matter if you trade monthly, as we know extremely well. Here's the picture perfect example. Where did oil collapse from? All spelled out by the price since 2011. Oil currently at reversal levels of the bearish trend. Let me remind you where oil monthly is and why we're witnessing bullish rally. Everything been posted on social media. Complete collapse on oil expected with projection of 42 level. That's where oil is currently on monthly chart. And that's exactly where buyers been stepping in from on daily and hourly. So buckle up, traders. Let's respect the rules. We need a pullback on oil and we need a pullback on S&P.